Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about weird but true science facts to amaze and surprise everyone. Here we go. 1. The human stomach can dissolve razor blades. If you ever swallow a razor blade, don't panic. The human body is more capable than you think. Acids are ranked on a scale from 0 to 14. The lower the pH level, the stronger the acid. Human stomach acid is typically 1.0 to 2.0, meaning that it has an incredibly strong pH. A laser can get trapped in water. A cool thing called total internal reflection happens when you point a laser beam at a jet of flowing water. To demonstrate this phenomenon, PBS Learning Media released a video in which a laser is positioned on one side of a clear tank of water. When the light travels through the water, it is slowed by the heavier particles in the water, effectively trapping the laser beam in the water. Even as the water flow is gradually decreased, the laser beam remains contained inside the jet, until it eventually disappears when the water is turned off completely. Earth's oxygen is produced by the ocean. Have you ever stopped to think where oxygen comes from? Your first thought may be a rainforest, but here's a cool science fact for you. We can thank plant-based marine organisms for all that fresh air, according to the National Oceanic Service. Plankton, seaweed, and other photosynthesizers produce more than half of the world's oxygen. While we may know the answer to this question, scientists still can't explain these other ocean mysteries. Animals use Earth's magnetic field for orientation. Lost land animals may not be able to find their way home, but sea animals might. According to the U.S. Geological Survey (USGS), there is evidence that some animals, like sea turtles and salmon, have the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field and can use this sense for navigation. Though that may sound like science fiction, it's actually science fact, unlike these animal facts that are actually false. A cloud can weigh around 1 million pounds. Your childhood dreams of floating on a weightless cloud may not withstand this science fact. The average cumulus cloud can weigh up to 1 million pounds, according to the USGS. That's about as heavy as the world's largest jet when it's completely full of cargo and passengers. Learn more about clouds and why they're so heavy by familiarizing yourself with these facts about rain. Soil is full of life. In just 1 teaspoon of soil, there are more microorganisms than people on the planet. Millions of species and billions of organisms, bacteria, algae, microscopic insects, earthworms, beetles, ants, mites, fungi, and more, represent the greatest concentration of biomass anywhere on the planet. Rats laugh when they're tickled. These creatures are more dynamic than we think. Rats have the ability to laugh when tickled. A video from National Geographic demonstrates that rats respond positively to tickling, and they even chase after the researcher's hand in a playful manner. Bananas are radioactive. Here's a random fact about one of your favorite foods. Bananas contain potassium, and since potassium decays, that makes the yellow fruit slightly radioactive. But don't worry. You'd need to eat 10 million bananas in one sitting to die of banana-induced radiation poisoning, according to Joe Schwartz, Ph.D., of McGill University. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. This may seem counterintuitive, but it's called the Mpemba effect. Scientists now believe this is because the velocities of water particles have a specific disposition while they're hot that allows them to freeze more readily. There are more trees on Earth than stars in our galaxy. Here's a cool space fact, and an Earth fact we bet you didn't know. NASA experts believe there could be anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. However, a 2015 paper published in the journal Nature estimated that the number of trees around the world is much higher, 3.04 trillion.
Thank you for watching. For more content and fact like this, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.